I have been waiting for Oraimo to release another Boompop headphone, and finally we got the Oraimo Boompop 2 headphone, which comes with better design and functions than the Boompop 1 headphone. After using it for over a week, I will tell you everything I love about this headphone. The headphone supports dual device connection and powerful deep bass than Boompop 1. The Oraimo Boompop 2 is foldable like the Apple AirPods Max. The headphone is sold for around 23,600 naira on Oraimo official website, and with my discount code GEEKDELINO, you can enjoy a 5% discount anytime you order. It comes with Bluetooth version 5.3, a playtime of 60 hours, and supports the Oraimo Sound app. Opening the box, you are first greeted with the Oraimo Boompop 2 headphone, a user manual, an aux cable, and a user Type-C cable. I was surprised when I saw the headphone for the first time because of the AirPod Max design. I mean, it's foldable. On each side of the headphone, you find Oraimo written on it. Oraimo removed the RGB light we had on Boompop 1 headphone. On the right side of the headphone, you find volume button, play or pause button, USB-C port, and a toggle switch to on or off the device. I guess you're enjoying the video. Give it a like so YouTube can recommend it to others, and also subscribe if you wish to see more reviews from me. It also has a little microphone hole which makes it suitable for receiving calls or playing games which require audio. Before I forget, it also supports game mode. The foldable design also makes them easy to toss in the bag on the go. The headphone is made of plastic and lightweight metal slider when you extend the headphone. This is much better compared to what we had on Boompop 1 headphone. And before I forget, I made use of my Boompop 1 headphone for more than 6 months before it got broken. The cushions on the headphone are soft, making you comfortable wearing them, and also they don't fall off when you bend. Connecting them wireless over Bluetooth was a breeze during my testing for watching videos and listening to music on my phone. I never experienced any real drops or statics, which is great. You can also use the included audio cable to go wired if you prefer. This is useful if you hate latency while gaming. For sound quality, this uses 40mm drivers which produce some bumping bars that you can feel. Nice clear mids and pretty crisp eye considering the budget price range we are in. I wouldn't call them the most accurate studio monitors by any means, but for bass lovers and casual listeners, they deliver a very exciting tone. The headphones are also good for receiving calls because they support a mic, but it's not as good as headsets. The headphone also works with Oraimo Sound app, which gives you customization. To enable game mode on the headphone, you can do it directly from Oraimo Sound app or by pressing and holding the middle button. Battery life is rated around 60 hours of constant playback, which is solid. These Oraimo Boompop headphones punch way above their weight when it comes to design, sound quality, and features. If you're looking for affordable headphones for bass heavy music or just casual listening, that's also great. Then you should consider getting the Boompop 2. If you're interested, don't forget to use my discount code on Oraimo website GEEKDELINO to get a 5% discount. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.